Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download the latest version of Windows 10. First, go to this website. It is my favorite website to download the Windows 10 and other Windows and Office application. And here you can select type Windows Final and select the version. I'm just gonna choose this version, which is the latest version the moment I recorded this video, and select edition. Now you can select the language. I'm just gonna choose English, and now you can select whether you wanna download the 64 version or the 32. I'm just gonna choose the 64-bit version and just hit the download. Now your download will be start, and just wait till finish.